Welcome to Cooking with Frankie Meatball. Today, I'm going to make for you the meatballs version of Spanish rice.
Hey, I'm Kevin.
And I'm Johnny E. from Philly Rock Radio.
And you're about to get cooking
with Frankie Meatball.
I'm Frankie Meatball with the YouTube cooking show. I'm Frankie Meatball of the cooking show with you. I'm Frankie Meatball every Wednesday in the show. I said it, you heard it, it is fun.
Okay, so this is my version. So if I'm doing anything wrong, please, I beg you guys, put a comment. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. Tell me what I can add. Tell me what I can take out. Hey, we help each other, you know? So anyway, I use Goya's yellow rice. You're gonna need some adobo. You're gonna need some sazon. I almost knocked the adobo over. Gonna need an onion and a poblano pepper, okay? Also, you could use bouillon powder or this stuff. It's better than bouillon, whatever they call it, right? It's more a liquid form. So it's really good, better than bouillon powder. Do not use bouillon cubes. If you want, you can throw a bouillon cube in there, but I'm warning you, way too much salt in those bouillon cubes. Forget about it, right? So anyway, I got this stuff. This stuff works great. The sofrito, right? Remember we made it? And if you didn't catch our video, go back, catch the video on how to make some sofrito. Okay, so then you're just going to need some grapeseed oil I use to sweat the onions down. So let's get started, guys, huh? You can put beans in it, you can put any kind of pepper you want in it. This is what I'm doing today. So you want a half an onion first. So you know how to dice your onion, right? Just cut it in half, boom, like that. Do the thing, you know, put the lines in it. See that? Put some lines in it. All right, you put your lines in it. Hey, you guys like my hat? Sagamore Spirits, check it out. If you like bourbon, go check out Sagamore Spirits. They got rye, whiskey. I'm telling you, great stuff. My man Paul always comes to our events with some good swag and a lot of bottles. So anyway, back to this onion. Okay, you want to dice your onion nice and small, okay? You don't want to mince it, you just want to dice it nicey, slicey, dicey, nice and small. What you want to do with your peppers, okay, you want to make sticks out of them. All right, make some sticks. It depends how thick you want them, how big of pieces of pepper you want in them. All right, just boom, see that? Just, there we go. You don't want them too big. You don't want them too small. Again, it's your world. I'm just living in it. Do what you gotta do, right? Guess what I'm gonna do? Yup. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put it together and run my knife right through it. That's what I'm gonna do. Just give it a nice little bang and a bang. You know what I mean? Bada boom, bada bing, bing, da bing. Yeah? All right. You got your peppers and your onions cut. What you wanna do? Grab your bench scraper. Get your peppers. Put them to the side. Get your onions. Put them on the same plate. But if there's too many, there's too many. You don't have to put them on the same plate. No. Anyway, I'm gonna put that on the same plate. Now the rest of what we're gonna do is on the other side of the kitchen. Give me a minute, I'm gonna be right back. First thing you wanna do is get your pot screaming hot. Anyway, guys, get some grapeseed oil. Let's put some grapeseed oil down there. Not too much, just a good amount, because we're going to sweat this onion, okay? Now, we got that oil in there. Just put your onion, okay? And if you don't hear your onion talking to you, you're not doing it right. Okay? My onion is talking to me. You want to sweat this onion until you get it translucent, okay? Move it around, keep your eye on it. This way it don't burn, you know? Let's get a nice pinch of salt. Throw that in there, okay? Let's sweat that down. Now make sure you got your rice and everything in front of you, because once it happens, it's gonna happen. You know what I'm saying? Now we're cooking. If you could just look at this, look at the onion. See how that onion looks? See that? Nice and translucent. Get your rice, throw your rice in it. Okay? Now, mix your rice up. Get your rice all mixed up and get that nice and oily. We want to toast the rice a little bit. I like to do that. This is how I start every rice I make. My white rice, I start my white rice like this. You want to get yourself your adobo and sazon. And I also have a hot ground Mexican chili or hot pepper. I'm just going to put a little bit, gives it a little heat. It's better than cayenne pepper because this stuff has a better taste. Take your adobo and give it a nice cover, okay? Nice cover of the adobo. 1 packet of sazon. Spread it out. Boom. All right. Throw that in the trash. Get your rubber spat and let's mix it up. Let's mix it up to where it's all the same color. Nicey nice. Oh, you can just smell that rice getting nice and toasted. Everything's all mixed. The seasonings are mixed nicey nice. Okay, now you did 2 cups of rice. So I'm going to do 3 cups of water. So let's get my 2 cups. I'm just going to put my 2 cups in. And then that extra cup. A little pinch of salt. So remember that sofrito? I like to give it like 2 nice sized teaspoons or spoons. Not teaspoons as the measuring, but you know, the ones you stir your tea with. That's why I call them teaspoons. If you have bouillon powder, sprinkle that bouillon powder on top. If not, you're going to use this stuff. 1 nice spoon of this better than bouillon. I'm telling you, it is great. It just, I'm telling you, as soon as it hits that water, it melts. Boom. Just, you know, don't kill your rice when you stir it. Very gently. Throw your pepper in. There's a little onion that you didn't get. Okay, now what I'm going to do is just mixy just a little bit. All right, that's it. You're never going to mix this rice until it's done. Okay, let's bring this to a boil. Then we're going to simmer it for 18 minutes. Bring to a boil, reduce to simmer, cover, cook for 18 minutes. All right, we're boiling, so what we're going to do is we're going to cover, reduce it to a simmer. We're going to simmer it for 18 minutes. Alexa, set a timer for 18 minutes.
18 minutes, starting now.
I'll see you back. Alexa, stop. Oh yeah. Now we're just going to mix that up and then we're going to serve it. Oh man, let me tell you guys, I gotta have a taste. Let's give it the meatball taste. Wow. It's got a little jump at you with that pepper powder. It is seasoned really good. That sofrito, the sazon, the adobo, it does the trick, okay? Let me tell you this, guys. If there is something that I'm doing wrong and I can make it better, let me know. With that being said, if you like what you saw, hit like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that bell notification button so you get notified every time I put out a new video. Now, it's going to be on Thursday. Check out my guys, PhillyRockRadio.com. They play everything from the forefathers to the band. Brothers of rock. Guys, follow us on Instagram, follow us on TikTok, like us on Facebook, and email me, and I'll send you a sticker. How about that? Maybe I'll send you 2, maybe I'll send you 3. Until next time. Forget about it, eh? It's a Frankie Meatball production.